Right. Wednesday 6th. I want us to talk about today's outlook. As you can see from my chart, what I did have, I have a 1, 2, 3 over here, but yeah, do I consider cutting it at 2? Maybe, yeah, but I'll just let it at 1, 2, 3 because currently, whatever I'm seeing, bullish arrays are being respected from this is the 15 minutes time frame, so there's no need to further have maybe to have it at to let it run. Like yesterday, we saw with this trade, we came close to it, didn't really trade into it, but later on, we saw the TP, full TP being hit. So, what did I see as of today? Remember, um, I've been talking about how bullish the market looks. You can see how these candles are massively these are massive candles. These are massive candles, as you can see. Use my mouse. Yeah. So these are massive candles. Today is actually one of also the massive candles. But what did I see by New York time is that we had broken through the previous day's high, and that's why I had it labeled here. And you can check my pre-video because I did a video trying to analyze what happened with the yesterday trade. I also did a pre-market outlook for today. So this trade you can get to watch the video before the trade, and also now this is the post trade video that I'm doing the preview now. So also remember guys to like and also subscribe to this channel so that we keep growing as a community. So after I did mark the previous day's high, I did come onto the 4-hour time frame to see what is the actual structure and where can I really expect to see, or do I expect to see the market drop to, then a continuation going higher, or to identify my context since we are seeing that the daily time frame is really bullish. Now, from what levels can we expect a continuation going higher? So that's the context. So from the 4-hour, I did notice that we had this 4-hour fair value gap over here that was well aligned with this high right there. And also the 4-hour fair value gap was nicely aligned with the 1 hour. We're gonna be checking about it. So as I watch this candle close, so to me, this is the 4-hour that I was watching to have a continuation going higher. And therefore I dropped onto the 1 hour time frame to cement the idea nicely. And before, yes, this is the key level that I was watching. I was also live at TikTok. So if you guys maybe want to get trading with me in TikTok, remember to follow at Rank Streets, and we get to be sharing and also trading together with you guys. So at that time, in a moment in time, I had this high to the lowest low. This was the initial push, and this is the 1 hour overlapping with the 4 hour. We saw market drop into it, and you can see how nicely price traded into these OTE levels, into the key level that I was watching. Then the market rejected. So as we were rejecting lower, I dropped higher. We were rejecting higher. I dropped onto the 15 minutes to try to see what was happening. So what we saw is the market pushed with this candle. As the market pushed higher, then I waited for the next candle. I think this candle, as we were rejecting going higher with these was around 10 a.m. 9:45, 9:45 candle, the rejection. I dropped onto the 5 minutes time frame. Yeah, drop onto the 5 minutes. This was the rejection, so I entered immediately. I think this candle was closing at this high, but we dropped lower, and I was trying to identify to what levels maybe is the deepest level that I can anticipate to see the market drop. That's where I was really, I don't usually want to go to the 1 minute time frame, but with that I think I dropped onto the 1 minute time frame. And at this point in time, I don't know whether I can move this. All right. So at around the 1 minute over here, this tool of mine has filled where I can maybe, yeah, I can't do it. So at this moment in time, what we saw is we had these liquidities from the 1 minute time frame. We had a swing low over here that was overlapped within the OTE levels. You can see from that high to this low. So that was swept, and then the market actually has been pushing high until now. So currently, what I think I should be doing, or what I've done, is I'm trying to manage my trade, moving my stops. Currently, my stops are above break even, and I'm not moving TP. I want to see the 1, 2, 3, and maybe yeah, we can be hitting that. But for now and for today, that was my trade setup, and looking forward to see what will be happening at the end of it. So thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Let's grow. Let's keep pushing higher to new limits. Till next time, be safe, guys.